pretty neat. Came to get me a gator. So there it is, cleaned up a little bit. We're putting a new carb on it.
Dude, yeah, how long do you think this ass end's gonna last? I'm trying to daily this bitch.
I mean, probably, it seems geared just right for dailying.
I'm looking for a new daily.
Disc brake. And we're gonna try and mount it on there, boys. We're gonna have the handbrake chirping on this. Then this will be fat tire front end time.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna put a hand disc brake. It's got the disc brake and the mount on the Chinese swing arm. We're just gonna put a hand master cylinder up there for handbrake. Boys, look at this fab work here. He took him a socket, you know, a couple washers there. It's not the best spacer I've ever seen. We could probably improve upon that. I think he was also known for cutting down stop signs in the neighborhood because that's clearly TxDOT. But it's a pretty slick chain tensioner. I might have to change that up a little bit. The guy had no limits. That's a fact.
We got this one.
Muffler a little loose there. What you got there? That's what I'm talking about. Just go to the 125. Will that bolt on though, or are those too wide?
Yeah, no, we just need to cut a hole through, like right here.
We'll see what happens. It started with starting fluid, so we're gonna try and huck it. It's got full suspension. Blake said he'd jump it. Man, that old TRX90 carb, I'm afraid ain't gonna have enough sack for it, but we're gonna try. So the carb that was on it, boys, where's that carb at, Blake? Oh, here we go. This is highly modified. He had to make her work, you know.
I'm gonna use the big bow or the big part.
You'd think he would have at least made it level. I don't know why the hell he shot the sweet ass hole, the mount hole.
He did a great job.
He converted this from like a 22 to a 19, which was pretty sick.
Think about how much crack he was on though to do that. And
Yeah.
Just the fact that he even got it near the carb.
And that the jets might still be in it.
Dude, yeah. And
One bad thing is he put the bowl on straight backwards. Look, boys, there's a gasket. Should belong right there. But I appreciate him getting the rear end on it. I'll finish up the front end and put some new spacers on that because clearly it's jackass buffoonery. And we're thinking pegs, new bars, either a mini bike front end or a BW80 front end. I just think the mini bike front end will be cheaper. She's gonna be ripping.
Exactly like it.
Was Dunsky. Yeah, the first thing we're doing is 5-inch wheel spacers just for the start, boys. Oh, now I'm all pissed off. All right. Well, I had to show Blake how to start her, but we got her done.
Yeah.
Full suspension. That's heavy flex. What they got? That's what they call the the swing arm. That's the heavy flex swing arm.
Everything's got suspension.
Even the axle suspension. I think we air filter it and it's a done. Blake made a nose gasket out of a piece of roofing tile, boys. Now I just got a leak in the roof. That's all. Now she's quiet, boys.
Dude, look what this came with.
What, dude?
It came with a little
Oh, for a smaller carb?
yeah, a reducer.
We're gonna put a handbrake on her. Blake's prepping it. Don't knock my muffler off while you're out there, dog. There's no back brake yet, so don't flip her over like a choke.
I can't remember last time I had a back brake.
All 9 up. Damn, that muffler's going everywhere. What a pile of shit. Fell off. She sounds beast now, dude. Predator fucking 212. Yeah. Oh, shit, that's fine. This is a kid. Muffler bearing done blew out her. There's that reducer.
God dang.
That's a cleaner look anyways.
That's what I'm talking about. That's going to be a ripper.
That's gonna be a ripper. Dude, that thing actually moves pretty good. He gonna remember that no brakes. She don't even rattle that hard.
No, dude.
Let me have a try. I've never ridden it. Guys, I found a disc brake system.
Hell yeah.
And handbrake, look at. This thing's coming to Texplex for the pit bike races. Y'all better be ready. Cradle frame, air cooled, horizontal, boys. 12 and 14. That's legit. That has been in my drawer. This disc brake has been sitting in my drawer, not fitting anything for about a year, bro. I got to trying to goon on it, and I popped the rear master. It ain't got no brakes. Blake I try to ride a wheelie, dude. Look, get out here. I try and slide it, and I feel it lose a little pressure. Pop me a wheelie, grab the brake. Come on, look at all this brake fluid shot out of here. Muffler bearing, brake fluid stain. David's loving that thing.
Pretty fun, man.
It's super fun, I know.
Fun.
I said the same thing. She was like, I don't know. I was like, what about those dirt bikes? Well, I can't sell the dirt bikes, but I'll sell the three-wheeler. And I'm like, what three-wheeler? Because I only seen like from here forward. And I went over there and was like, oh, they scotched it up. How much? I don't know, 150? We'll load her up. Boys, here's my brake. It worked till the first wheelie. Oh, she's pissing, boys. I blew her out real nice. But I know which one to order. I just gotta look at my Amazon cart. With a fat tire, it'll be cool. That's the muffler for it. Sounds a little gay though. It sounds like it's maybe voting for Biden when you put it on. I got some back fenders for it. I'm thinking maybe quad fenders, but I have a set of nice TTR ones. And I got these right here, the little front fenders.
Oh, he thought about cutting this off for his muffler and then said, oh, no.
I'll just bust it.
I like that racing carburetor setup, man.
Yeah, y'all want to see the racing car? Y'all want to see my racing car?
Straight off the junior dragster.
Like, hey, it was for an ATC 70, but it's all we had. What about the racing carb gasket?
Yeah.
But did it start?
Oh, yeah.
Started easy.
It runs on alcohol, too.
Yeah,
See how clear it is?
both of us.
That's alcohol.
That's alcohol.
I like that thing.
I know, it's pretty neat.
Fucking cool.
It looks like something maybe.
For my Z.
All right, done deal. You heard it.
Plus,
Y'all
I'll
heard
give
it.
you
I'm going to
500.
need y'all to come to court with me. This starts pretty much first kick, but I never can get it that way. I got to do it this way. Time for testing and tuning. We're going to tune this open pipe. Willie practice. Remember, no power slides. Only Willie brakes. That's just for hand stuff.
You don't have to tell me twice.
Maybe you can do some hand stuff. Let's. Oh my God. Boy, you almost got worked. Well, now it won't even run that way. You're going to have to hook it back in and just turn it left to throttle.
Clutch is hard.
Cinder. Oh, you suck, dude. Infinite suckage. You want me to bum start you?
No, it's alright.
It's that high performance clutch. Awesome, dude. Haha. He's not doing us proud, boys. There he goes. We got the Dix brakes. Look at them Dix brakes. It needs Let me give a crack at her real quick, and then we'll pull that nail out of the tire. You suck.
There you go.
It likes.
Did that just for
I
you.
can bump start it.
Yeah. Yeah, dude.
The nail out of the tire so we can get it straight. And then we'll leave. Remember, it had a nail in it.
Oh, it did?
I think that we could just consider that plugged.
Yeah, just run it like that.
We'd need more of these though on both sides.
Yeah.
Studded. So we're doing a hot plug. Basically heat it up real good, jam her in there.
You can do this with a butt plug too.
So yeah, she might not like it, but she'll appreciate it later.
Yeah.
And what does she fucking know? Oh, were you talking about dudes?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So first you bore it out, kind of gape it with this a little bit, you know. Then I'm ordering some tires and wheels for this, 5-inch spacers. Got the working handbrake for Willys. You just created 3 more holes. All right. Now she'll never pull out because the tire's shit. Nice, dude. See the way he plunged it and then yanked? And then pretty much once you pull out, he forgot to run off and disconnect the cellular device.
Yep.
But that's because he's already on the run. Now I'll probably have to start it for him, that high compression engine. That wasn't what was rattling, it's the chain and whatnot. And the what have you. Get to that balance point, you big chicken. I might want to do a throttle check on them bars again. Give her a cock test. Slinging rusty water out of the fucking grips, dude. Those are good. Better.
I wasn't really trying yet.
I wasn't trying to. I don't want to break your shit.
Oh, yeah, the idle's too high too.
It sounds like it's going.
Damn.
They asked me why 3 wheels, I tell them I like to party.
Yep.
I like to party. All right, hopefully, did you learn something, Blake?
Nope. I learned that you fucked up the car. It was leaking.
That's because I'm going ham on it. Damn, you selfish! Riding it, dude! He's there, boys. Look at that handbrake. Why'd you shift it? You had it, dude. You had so much pull going up, you were about to send it, and you just tried to shift into
I
third.
think I got more speed in third.
No, you lost speed, dog.
I was trying to get it.
Just pin second.
All right, I'll try it in second.
Watch out, Ian. Okay. All right, you cruise it over to the shop. We need more space for mullet stuff, mullet equipment. Like is the equipment.